Remove the device and all accessories from the package. Fix the small tray onto the large tray with screws. Align the main unit with the base slot and place it securely. Connecting the handpieces. The upper part of the instrument is the connection ports for Tripolar RF, facial RF, and body RF respectively. Align the metal contacts, insert the handpiece, and rotate to tighten securely. Connect the 80K Ultrasonic Cavitation handpiece. Connect the Vacuum Bipolar RF handle. Place the handles into the tray card slots in sequence. Insert the filter cup firmly into the socket. Connect the power adapter, then connect the power adapter to the power cord and connect to the power supply. Time, 10 minutes recommended for eye area. Energy range 0-10, recommended 3-5. Adjust from low energy according to the customer's feeling and ask the customer's feeling frequently. Press start to begin operation. Use together with RF conductive cream. Time, 15-20 minutes for face, 15-20 minutes for neck. Energy range 0-10, recommended 3-6. Press start to begin operation. Use together with RF conductive cream. Time, 20 minutes recommended. Energy range 0-10, recommended 4-7. Time, 15-20 minutes recommended. Energy, recommended 3-7. Adjust from 3. On the right is suction. On the left is relax. Suction value must be greater than relax value. Press start to begin operation. Negative pressure suction level. Adjust according to personal tolerance. Ask the customer's feeling frequently. Use with RF cream. Massage the RF cream until it is slightly absorbed. When the suction is insufficient, check whether the filter cup is properly inserted or full. Time, 20-30 minutes recommended. Energy, 4/7. Press start to begin operation. Use with body gel. Device cleaning. Vacuum Bipolar RF. Use a soft, damp cloth moistened with a mild detergent to clean any remaining oil residue. Wipe the surface thoroughly with a damp cloth, then dry it with a clean, dry towel. Use tweezers to remove the plug, take out the filter cotton, and clean it thoroughly. Check whether the filter opening is blocked. Replace with a new filter cotton and reinstall the plug securely. The used filter cotton can be cleaned, air-dried completely, and kept for future use. Other handpieces. Use a soft, damp cloth moistened with a mild detergent to remove any remaining treatment medium from the handpiece surface. Then wipe the handpiece with a clean, damp cloth and finally dry it with a dry towel.